Hi, welcome to How to Repair. This video is on a Beko washing machine and how to enter test mode to diagnose any faults with the machine. We're working on a WM6143 series. You should not enter diagnostic mode if you have a motor fault. You should check the motor first for wear on the carbon brushes and also externally test the motor. Now, to go into actual test program, you need to turn the main dial to 90 degrees, turn the spin controller to the off position, in other words no spin, press and hold down the start pause light while you turn the machine on and wait 3 seconds. As soon as the light starts flashing, turn the dial round to the spin position and hold for 3 more seconds. Now you are actually in test mode. The next time you press the start pause button, you will go into test mode 1, which is checking the functionality of all the LEDs. As you can see, they're all working correctly. Test 2. This is a spin controller test. On no spin, you should only have the start pause light flashing. On either 600 or 800, you should have the start pause light flashing with the rinse or extra rinse light solid. On 1000 and 1200 RPM spins, you should have the pause start button flashing with time saver light solid. And on 1400, you should have the extra rinse and the time saver light solid and the pause light flashing. The next time you press the start pause or the cancel button, it will go into an advancement with right hand rotation of the drum, with the pump only running if you have water in the machine. The next time you press it, it will go into an anti-clockwise rotation, again with the pump only running if there is water in the machine. The next test is actually a spin test, but it will not use the spin controller. Whatever state the spin controller is in, it will still do a full flat out spin at 1400 RPM. So it doesn't make any difference what the spin controller is set to. Now the next test sequence after this is a full wash test. This will test the water valves, followed by the motor in a clockwise rotation, then followed with the heating system heating up to about 40 degrees. So we'll press it. Now you can see water going in on the right hand side. This will happen for about 10 seconds, then it will switch over to the left hand side, checking the other water valve. Again, this will run for about 10 seconds, and then both water valves will be activated, and you will have water going into all 3 compartments, including the fabric softener in the middle. Once the machine has actually reached the correct water level, the machine will stop filling with water, and then the motor will continue in a clockwise rotation. I'm just showing you this again. So you can see here water is going in while the drum slows down. And then when it reaches its correct level, in other words the pressure switch is activated, the machine will go into a right hand rotation and the water will start heating. This will continue for about 10 minutes until the water temperature reaches for about 40 centigrade. This means it has tested the NTC sensor, which controls the temperature in the machine, and has also checked that the heater is actually working. Once it has reached the temperature, the machine will empty. When the machine has emptied, the drum will stop turning and it will continue emptying for about 2-3 minutes, and then the machine will shut down. And that's the full test sequence. When the machine has finished pumping out, it will automatically go back into manual mode, meaning that you've got your normal wash cycle back. And just touching the glass there, you can actually see the machine has already reached its temperature. The glass will be warm and it should have gone all the way through. And just while I'm waiting for the machine to reset, do remember we have links on the left hand side which will take you through to the full tutorial section at the website. Also, you will have other repair videos for Beko washing machines, including how to change a heater, door seal, pump, etc. And also there are some social media links on the left hand side. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these free videos for you. And if you do find this video helpful, remember you can always buy us a beer. And there we go, the machine is now back on manual, so we'll just press the start button. It's on a 40 centigrade wash and off it goes. Thanks very much again for watching.